Hello guys, welcome back to TheMonaZine. I am Mona Lisa and today we are making our second handmade clay masterpiece. This super bright, adorable 3D giraffe fridge magnet. Just look at those big Google eyes and the jungle vibes. Now if you missed my very first video where we made the super cute couple magnet, you are seriously missing out. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure to check it out right after this video. I have linked it in the description box below. But for today, grab your clay, get cozy and let's bring this cute little giraffe to life. Just like last time, we are starting with our round wooden board canvas. Do you remember my pro tip from the last video? Always apply a thin layer of Fevicol first so your clay sticks perfectly and never falls off your canvas. First, I am shaping the long neck of our giraffe and placing it right in the center. Then comes the head, those tiny ears and those cute little horns on the top are looking so cute. To give him that signature TheMonaZine cute factor, I am making his eye extra large and popping out. Take your time smoothing out the clay edges with a tiny drop of water if things get a bit dry. Once your giraffe is completely dry, it's time for the ultimate secret weapon, white gesso. I love white gesso. I always prime my clay with gesso because it completely seals the piece and ensure our acrylic colors stay incredibly vibrant. Now time for the color. For this magnet, I wanted something bold. So I choose a firming fairy orange background. To create a beautiful jungle theme, I am painting long engaged green leaves wrapping around the both sides of our giraffe. Complete this delicate white and red dot to add a texture. For the giraffe itself, I am using a beautiful mustard yellow and painting individual brown patches all around his neck. Add a tiny cute little smile and he will be ready in few minutes. To give it that gorgeous professional store-bought shiny and protect it from dust, I am applying a smooth coat of clear gouache varnish. Look how instantly the orange background popped the moment the varnish hits it. Once it dry, we flip it over, attach a strong craft magnet to the back using Fevicol and let it dry completely. And here is the final reveal. Wow, the contrast between the green leaves and that bright orange background is everything. Actually, he looks so happy sitting on my fridge. What do you think? So, if you love making this little jungle friend with me today, please hit this like button. Don't forget to subscribe the TheMonaZine for more weekly creative DIYs. And remember, if you want to see how I made the couple magnet right next to him, then jaldi se click the video link in the description box right now. Thank you so much for watching. Stay creative and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.